You are paying $659 a year for software that was made obsolete 18 months ago. Not by a competitor, not by a startup, by a text box. 5 AI tools have quietly rebuilt everything Adobe charges you for. From scratch. For free. That's what nobody is saying out loud. Think about the last video you made. You edited it. You cleaned the audio. You color graded it. How long did that take? 4 hours? 6? Every one of those tasks, every single one, has already been automated. Not in beta. Not coming soon. Right now. The question isn't whether AI has replaced your workflow. It has. The question is why you're still paying for the old one. Here's what this actually costs. Adobe Premiere, $54.99 a month. After Effects, per month. Now here's the number that should make you uncomfortable. 0. That's what the AI alternatives cost to start. Here are 5 of them. The first tool is Runway. After Effects has been the standard for motion graphics for 20 years. Runway does what After Effects does, in seconds, with a text prompt. Type, remove the background from this footage. Done. Type, add cinematic motion blur. Done. Type, replace the sky. Done. No keyframes. No plugins. No $54.99 invoice. Free tier, 125 credits a month. Enough for a full YouTube video. Paid tier, $12 a month. The second tool is Descript. Here's what Descript does that Premiere cannot. You edit video like a Word document. Delete a sentence in the transcript. The video clip disappears. Highlight a word. That exact moment is found and cut. Remove every filler word, every every in one click. No timeline scrubbing. No razor tool. And then, here's where it gets dark. Descript overdubs your own voice. Typo in your recording? Type the correction. Descript generates your voice saying it. Not a voice actor. Not a re-record. Your voice. Generated? We're halfway through the list. The last 3 tools are where it gets genuinely dangerous, for Adobe. Subscribe now, so the full breakdown reaches you the moment it drops. The third tool is CapCut. Not the CapCut from 2 years ago. The new CapCut. Auto captions. Accurate. Your 16.9 footage becomes a short. 1 click. Auto highlight. The AI watches your footage and selects the best 30 seconds. This is what professional editors charge $75 an hour to do manually. CapCut does it in 45 seconds. The fourth tool is Flicky. You have an article. You paste the URL. Flicky reads it, writes the script, assigns a voice, selects the footage, adds captions, and exports. A complete video. In under 4 minutes. Not a rough cut. Not a draft. A finished video, ready to upload. The agencies that charged $800 per video 3 years ago? They're not gone. But the gap between their output and yours has closed. To nothing. The fifth tool is the one that changes everything. Heygen. You upload 60 seconds of yourself speaking. Heygen creates a digital avatar that looks exactly like you. Type a script. Your avatar presents it, in your voice, with your face, in any language. English, Spanish, Mandarin, French. Same face. Different language. 0 studio time. Channels with 50,000 subscribers are running entirely on AI-generated avatar videos. Their creators haven't been on camera in months. You can't tell. That's not a technology demo. That's the industry right now. Adobe's business model was built on one assumption: that making video required expensive software. That assumption is dead. Not threatened. Not challenged. Dead. They saw this coming. They hoped you wouldn't find out until it was too late. You just found out. This is a dark cyber expose. And this one is real. Subscribe now, so the next one reaches you the moment it drops.